Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'd like to tell you a short story again related to the use of to be in simple present tense and simple past tense and how to use them in sentences. Then, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence and try to memorize the story, and then you should be able to retell it when I tell you the short story. Well, let me explain you how to use to be in simple past tense and simple present tense before I tell you the short story. Well, in simple present tense, there are three kinds of to be. They are am, is, and are. But in simple past tense, there are only two kinds of to be. They are was and were. We use am for I, and then we use is for he, she, or it, or single third person. And then we use are for you, we, and they. Then in simple past tense, we use was for I, he, she, and it. And we use were for you, we, and they. Well, we use to be after subject and then followed by adjective, noun, or adverb. And to make questions, we place the to be before the subject and then followed by adjective, noun, or adverb. Now, I'm going to direct you how to improve your speaking skill. Well, before that, please listen to me carefully. I'm going to tell you a short story again. Well, do you still remember Frank Mitchum? Well, I'm going to continue the story about him. Now, please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Then you should try to memorize it, then retell it. Are you ready? Alright. Well, it is 10:30 now. Frank Mitchum is in Washington Square Park. At 9 o'clock this morning, he was in prison. But he is free now. That's why he is smiling. He is smiling because he is free. Harry Gilmore and Lucky Jones are in the park too. They were outside the prison at 9 o'clock this morning. Okay, do you still remember the story? Well, now please listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, to improve your speaking skill. Okay, it is 10:30 now. Frank Mitchum is in Washington Square Park. At 9 o'clock this morning, he was in prison. But he is free now. That's why he is smiling. He is smiling because he is free. Lucky Jones and Harry Gilmore are in the park too. They were outside the prison at 9 o'clock this morning. Alright, now please answer my question. Well, I hope that you still remember the story. Question number 1. Is Frank Mitchum in prison now? Question number 2. Where is Frank Mitchum now? Question number 3. Is he still in prison? The next question, please. Where was he at 9 o'clock this morning? Was he in prison at 9 o'clock this morning? Is he free now? Is he smiling now? Why is he smiling? Are Lucky Jones and Harry Gilmore in the park too? Were they outside the prison at 9 o'clock this morning? Well, hopefully that you remember the story, and you should be able to memorize and retell it. And then you should be able to reproduce conversation with your partners. Alright, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.